Today we're going to work on banana tree paper leaves. They are super duper simple to make, and they are a great addition, a bulk addition to those tropical backdrops you can make using just scissors out of paper and decorate your nursery, your hallway, or your party backdrop with. So this is an example of leaf, and I'll show you how easy and fast you can make it using just scissors, no cutting machine needed. So what I'm going to use a cardstock, a colored cardstock. I have A3 sheets. A3 is a twice size of A4, one A4, two A4, or if you use letter size sheets normally, so they will be that much shorter. So anyway, I use as big sheets of cardstock I have in my studio available right now. So what I do, I just imagine and draw the line like this, so sort of triangle, but a little bit curved. Yeah, that's it. And if you want them to be slimmer, you can cut a bit more, like that. And now what we're going to do is, I just cut small pieces like this, all over the edge. Somewhere I may want to make two cuts, like double cuts, double tiered leaves. And do not cut much. The higher you go, the deeper your cuts could be. Some of them can be even just like that. Like that. Just random cuts throughout the leaf, so we can get this messy tiered look for our banana tree leaf. And now we open it up. Look how cool it is. If you use cardstock and different shades of green, you may get a very funny tropical backdrop. Easy peasy, right? Paper Pro Tutorials and Sydney Paper Flowers. Follow our free and very easy to repeat video tutorials here on YouTube.